Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi ashrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Respectable Minister Nasibullah Mari Saab, Minister Education, Wahid Shakir Saab, Director Education, UNICEF, Representative Palwasha, all secretaries, deputy commissioners, district education officers, representative of media, civil society organization के head, and ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is a great honor for me to share you that we are going to launch the ceremony of Balochistan Sector Plan 2020 to 25. I really appreciate the Honorable Minister Nasibullah Saab for gracing this important occasion event. It is to inform you that Secondary Education Department, Government of Balochistan, with the support of Global Partnership Education and UNICEF, has developed its second education sector plan for Balochistan for the period 2020 to 25. Actually, this sector plan was prepared on the basis of Balochistan education situation analysis. There are 5 thematic areas of Balochistan education sector plan, जिसमें access, learning, access and participation, governance, research and development. These, on the basis of these situation analysis, there were 2 areas emerged, like learning, access and participation. This is the most important aspect of Balochistan education sector plan. Both the issues are focus of education sector plan. There are clear and contextualized strategies with costed activities for improvement of learning and access to education in Balochistan. This new sector plan is endorsed by the Education Department and also all the educational partners in Pakistan. And this is the policy document for improvement of education sector in Balochistan. As a secretary, I am really very grateful to GPE and UNICEF for extending their financial and technical support in the development of Balochistan education sector plan. I am also grateful to all the ex-secretaries, as Palosha has discussed, because I was not there in education, but their role, their key role, which they have played, especially Tayyib Laddi Saab, Ghulam Ali Saab, Sabur Saab, and Nurullah Saab. They have played very important role, and I also endorse the Palwasha comments, because whenever I have an issue, I asked कोई भी सेक्रेटरी सबूर साहब, नूलक साहब, गुलाम अली साहब, तो उसी टाइम मुझे वो रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं और कोई भी इश्यूज़ हो वो बल्कि वो हल भी बता दें कि आपने इस तरह करना. I really appreciate all those ex-secretaries and also the PPIO head, Daud Khilji Sahab, Rashid Razak Sahab. They have also played and they have worked, and Mr. Sami Sahab presently working in PPIO. I also appreciate the role of PPIO and especially Abdul. He is really working a lot in education sector. He is working from morning till night. और उसने अपने पूरे ज़िंदगी एजुकेशन में दिया. मैं सबके सामने इनको अप्रिशिएट करना चाहूँ. मैं आखिर में फिर once again I welcome you all for attending this very important event and also launching ceremony of Balochistan education sector plan. This is not only the launching ceremony, but inshallah we assure you we will implement this sector plan inshallah by the support of my all team members. Thank you very much.